English alphabet. A for apple, B for ball. A for apple, B for ball, B for ball. C for cat, C for cat. D for doll, D for doll. E for elephant, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fish. G for gorilla, G for gorilla. H for horse, H for horse. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for juice, J for juice. K for kangaroo, K for kangaroo. L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nest, N for nest. O for octopus, O for octopus. P for parrot, P for parrot. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for swan, S for swan. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for violin, V for violin. W for watch, W for watch. X for xylophone, X for xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Small letter alphabet. A for ant, A for ant. B for banana, B for banana. C for crow. D for don't, D for don't. E for egg. F for frog, F for frog. G for gorilla, G for gorilla. H for housefly. I for iguana, I for iguana. J for jellyfish. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. M for moon. N for nurse. O for ostrich. P for parrot. Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for volcano. W for wolf. X for xylophone. Y for yak. And Z for zebra.